Hi, welcome to HDM Solar. My name is Matthew, I work here as Technical Advisor, and I'm here to introduce to you today the Tigo Voltage Optimizer. The Tigo solves the problem of shading. Shading can be caused by a multitude of things: dust and dirt, leaves, bird droppings, anything that gets and just lands on your panels, even rainwater after a period of time. Each Tigo clips onto the back of the panel, is connected by the MC4s that we all know and are used to, and it acts as if each panel is wired in parallel to the string rather than in series. So when one panel becomes inefficient, the rest of the panels don't. Installation only takes a matter of moments. Take the flat side to the back of the panel, clips onto the frame, pushes into place. You get the wires with the MC4s, like so. And then that's it. You are ready to connect it to each string. Each one of these is good for a 700 watt panel, which would be on a 15 amp string. And because the price of panels has come down so much, and these are a relatively inexpensive item, it would make sense for every installation, regardless of whether there's shading or not, to have one. It'd be silly not to. And one final feature of the Tigo is you can remove the clips if you happen to have frameless panels, and it provides you an M8 bolt hole so that you can actually mount these to the mounting rail of the panels. Once you've got all your solar panels in your array sorted, if you wish to, we actually also offer the Tigo Cloud Connect, which would allow you to connect to and monitor wirelessly up to 300 of these panels. Both of these products are available on our website. Thank you very much for listening.